And that's how I keep my solar panels clean. We had a little bit of hail in this one. That scrubs the bird poop, and then the rain rinses it off. I just got back from a bike ride, and I just finished picking up the dog poop. Perfect timing. They're coming. There's more. What's going on, eh? You can do it. I'm sure all he sees is a silhouette of me. His nose still works pretty good. He's half blind, half deaf. Were you rolling in the grass? She killed 2 gophers this summer so far. My yard is gopher free. As far as I know, she didn't eat them. Well, the 2 that I found she didn't eat. Maybe she killed more and ate them. The yard's looking not too bad. This section here struggles because when it's minus 25, that's where they pee. The Wrangler shits on the deck. He says, fuck that, I'm not going all the way down there. And Wrangler's going to find that pee spot tomorrow and mark it again. That was his break for the night. It was finally cooling off. It was 31 degrees Celsius today. And we got a nice east breeze coming in. And they got a nice big backyard.